Good afternoon, and you're not adorable. I'm so for Kwesi ones in Amasabe. Now, and then we're talking about Ghana football, your local football, because no, and no, and entertaining. Now, say a perceive ye na a boa or minor, because no, a bit genetic revenue be blame. Be revenue be blame. Na problem I want to say Ghana no problem I want to say yen penny for na moda ye sports in the what sports minister say youth and sports and I say GFA no me the main fan say Ghana Football Association local league GFAs no cry won na me num say mu ni vision na mu ni eni so ade hu mo de mo ba mo pre mo if mo fu de mo be di ene yewu ba nka yenya ne sa suku bebrebe a mo makomi nko bi ba se nka mo betie me na me so me nyansa kakra me kuta no at least ma fa point bi wo na mo hwe na ebeboa because no Ghana league no yeni je ho sin Premier League ni Serie A ni Bundesliga ni La Liga no but because I didn't ye interest ni ye focus India attractive sponsorship ni deals emba Ghana footballers no so enya ahoto de biobia Saudi Arabia ba Qatar just say baby ense so okokra na okọ Kenya na okọ because no ohwes aketwia oje ene aketwia ebetwia no wo Kenya na o compare Kenya de nbe wasoro kakra sinti obeko ba se nka ye football association administrative ni nyina tenase ena mami ko ni say Ghana football bibia the generating friend say income pa stadium no generating income. Secondly, sponsorship into now Premier League, Bundesliga, Copa America, Serie A ni La Liga na ube so mortally ni just ni nyim sponsorship go and omu country no aban na nkasa sponsor league no nti sika egwom but one yen kon step by step. Number 1 itare best number 1 GFA and I say yes GFA the local league GFA authority no modano no so omu wo vision inka say na nka omu so omu ye say who dey find sponsorship at this time we need league classic we kura nye sike bia e be we league ni kura na wa boka sin league na we need kura na still wa boka intina players no club owners need to mean you amuka no omu de ka players ni ka intinu ya na wo so ye adwuma na ya ntwa ka wo ebusua ye ntwa ka wo be nwinwi inti adwuma hu nheda nyire wo ho enye mami nka bibi nkyerɛ mu sɛ ye league ni yie pa one wo de me fa sɛ wo GFA no wo GFA no sorry wo GFA no wo ni links at this sponsorship beba wo ni links wo be bia nka number 1 factor we input na wo gina so generate income be a little bit long term investment like 5 to 10 years grados 5 years grados into the emphasis 5 years a year to 5 years investment no ube sika beba ma clubs no bia be comfortable say na ka say GFA no mo ye minka say sabiota frache minim nyansa anase mi wa adwene esin mu amugu ho no because nyoma mu minim ma men so ma dwen kire a me kire no mo trans na mo de kwa adwene mu a sabiota frache enye obi a wako school nko na sebe adwene da ne tirim anaasɛ ɔwɔ ni suade hu obi a ɔnkɔ school da ba ne suade hu anaasɛ ne siku nduru ekyire ba ne suade hu is more beyond bia mo ye de betumi bia leg ni be solid be attractive but bia this idea we enkam emba mo adwenem nti no me so me ye omamba pa me Ghana League ni da kuma tama mi so no yen collaborate u ko stadium ana say ye boba we akwala na ye bob mfikyire bokra na ye tale kyire ya trotro ye player bia di agusu me ye shamokwe me ya bedi pele me just ye ni je ye league no ye ni je ye ho nti wo mu ana obehu si no bi atro Bebeto Baggio Brazil no bi atro say no bi atro nti no ema just na that time 90s no league there that bio ye Ghana Premier League pa masa jai Oko United ni friend is saying House of Folk Oko United versus Kotoko Oko versus Olympics Oko versus Kimfelsa masa na league ni more there that time the stadium man na say na me person me starting na muhu GFA nka we eni swade hu simple mu ye close nti mu ni Ghana buy no kra no en shedan mu tro proposal no kona mu de strategy ni mu development plan no kwa nka the best nka no aban another say we the aban na mamo kra na mu fa mu proposal enko England Germany France so okay ye pay bosia e bia 5 billion masa 5 billion no kura me kan say 5 billion no ye de 10 years na betua but say sia na ye di ko stadiums ye enya aban na betua o GFA no Ghana Football Association ye na ye bebo sa besia no ye de stadiums ama ye local clubs no ye bebo 5 billion enya million 5 billion ye di besi stadiums ama your local clubs no na after stadium you see stadium a charge 2 to 3 years ni see we and so them say within let's say roughly 2 to 3 years ni see stadium ni nyina we nti from 2 to 3 years na you see stadium here aka many years 7 years nti sa 7 years na say we tuya nti no from stadium you see we no na afin income ubetuya sika no nti say na mo be makope bosia 5 billion dollars 5 billion euro 5 billion pounds ma pesa sika no Ghana League no say sia moya 18 which is perfect munya ni 20 and this be attractive more yeah no crown number 1 House of Folk the friends and the project no yen can 5,000 capacity stadium no is no and says it's a shame and says House of Folk is 5,000 capacity GFA stop no we best stop no as unya and the team tino okay inka plan no ho na sebe mu ani suade hu inka asempo assassin da ho na GFA maba okay has wo assassin perfect ye pese ye si 90,000 because as in kwala team I be say 500 capacity and say more Accra Sports Stadium no okay Accra Sports Stadium fine but enso yema capacity of has capacity of 100,000 and bro Barcelona because as in kwala team na say all these facilities need all this in provide am Ghana local teams na masa inka na say players no bebre bossing Barcelona players bebre England players bebre but because of any facility na drills ni nyoma attention bantino ye hu o ma ji so ma kwa brochire answer ntini o mo kwa brochire kwa mu ni price but Brazil our price is in Ghana because Brazil facility we nim far away stadiums best stadiums House of Folk me ma 100,000 and that's 90,000 Has of ni Kotoko or Munyam Kola team. Because it has a call relegation there. Kotoko ball league na enya Kotoko de. Kotoko call relegation there. Has a ball league agile league then enya ni de. Even Ghana league ni enya attractive. Your teams be on call relegation na. U ball league na enya de. Kotoko has two teams win. They pair them as one. Second choice, Abe Great Olympics. Second choice, Abe Great Olympics. Oko United call into league do Kotoko na Okofo nyina support but enshada nyede. Enshada nyede. No credit wa no aka me has supporter but me di league chi ache. Ye so nyina ne ya tibubu ashina Oko United train wo Accra Academy School train wo Dakuma friend say cable and wireless ni mu ya tena ho kohwe ya tena ho kohwe ya nanti sufri bubu ashi eko ya friend say James friend say empoano ho bebi omuto art center ho ekohwe has training then time. Tama coach Sapon coach Oko United. Bubu ashi da kuma territory training bia ye ko ho. Elede who's academy boys na ba for justify ya massa giant. Who talent. If you train across park yamma stadium crown training ground hono eyamma utumu said that love no wo support am crown wo ko hwe obi training and crown ma say chair week where they match no asmesi ko hia de nti stadium crown wo professor so be come out me ahye no as nua wo ko hwe nti na eye de e man ye de massa no credit wo eye de be so bia from 1890s to roughly to Mifigana early 2000 Mifigana 2004 na Mifigana that's the Champions League na me wo Ghana massa Ghana league na de sike ni ba na league na de wo plan no da wakoma so GFA say na moye no mun ko pe 5 asik bosia munya say 18 na mu free say yeah fine Munsi stadiums Emma teams ni has enya 10,000 capacity Kotoko 10,000 and as 90,000 Kotoko 90,000 Great Olympics 80 hey munsi stadium munsi de yaki to akra eswagom kra 50,000 capacity stadium amusi no team obenya small ebi ono ni fans nti yem fan saba or no big team ikoba big team supporters ebeba ebe generate income nti teams no de bia mo ho kan be wosoro nti no league no emu be nti no because here league abroad league de nyina no you provide them stadiums you a week you money sika nti no wo sika no kran wo sika kom kran enya bebre wo be senya no return because stadium no benya stadium sika wo benya sika from stadium wo benya stadium for the advertisement government is so sponsor league na den so no ono government na also masin England have English Premier League Barclays Premier League Barclays dey on mine British Bank and ne Barclays no we so fitititire dey be say ne nti no e on mine na twesika say afibia say etumi kosoro nti ka Ghana Commercial Bank and no Bank of Ghana musuma jesimu na so and afibia no nti no nya afi na nti say team ne ko sponsorship mu GFA na mu ko sponsorship e baba sponsor teams no e be mu ko sponsor e be sponsor has for Kotoko Olympics kwa Bibrem Brekum Chelsea Goldfields say anything we see 80,000 ama friends Olympics we see 80,000 ama Goldfields teams am chamo na so massa drafts we see just mamu stadiums wo de omo ko pomo asase no chiro say okay Mo stadium ha mo Accra House of Folk me ma mo 90,000 capacity stadium ye na ye esi me asase no me pe acres of land is saying e won crime because mo team mo represent Accra in crime that's Accra House of Folk me ma mo bia from a year mo pa asase no ana baby a mo project no your friend is saying pobi man no me pesa acres we e dia stadium na mam kotoko mo nso mo mami stay me say me mam 90,000 capacity nti me nya the same as me gia free house of mo so me mam say Great Olympics me mam 80,000 because mo so the second arrival big teams mo so support pa nti no okay me uni has in share nti fine me ma 80,000 me ma has 90,000 95,000 kotoko 95 me ma 80,000 and I say 85 10,000 difference any there no doubt Oko United or friends and division one of the division 2 Oko nye nkwala team nti hwe se na be genetry no nti omo premier no 18 no fa 2 ka no 20 si 20 stadium Emma Premier League no first but enye say omo first who see no obia platform at the same time at the same year different contractors ekuta obia on the plan the stadium plan 90,000 would GF na one would presenting amom 90,000 say na ba 90,000 mupem stadium debit type ntino who presenting yin mama omo kire ya na wo so ni architect na tenasi na we try no yopo 20,000 different contractors in fact one contractor oh yeah we they be ube waste time 20 contractors 20 stadiums for Premier League no and I say 18 for Premier League no 18 contractors different contractors we are no akọ friends saying division 1 no say there no minim e wo ho but ha no your friend championship free championship and now ba the friends Premier League until me find say division 1 okay yes division 1 division 1 so no omo ba no dodro na omo wo Premier League na omo ye century teams omo akọ division 1 nyina omo ntumi ba no omo ye mo big stadium ono one man okra man 60,000 capacity your teams bi ado omo fans omo kọ no omo ntumi ba bibi nioma kitikiti bi atoto chimanti omo ntumi ba unim se we no omo gina mo na so corners uma corners 80,000 kra na omo ka ubeti championship no ntino sika na free Premier League generate sika no champion friends in division 1 generate sika no wako division 2 no free division 2 no afi wako second division any third division no we create avenue no nti sa division 2 no division 2 ni stadium capacity man 30,000 division 2 mom capacity of stadium 30,000 imagine 30,000 what could be 5 billion no would you fancy 5 billion no 18 stadium for Premier League for now because no capacity of stadium now will be see no e bi bet me akoso $300,000 350 million in the first has ne kotokonkwa any Olympics in Kwabe ebetumi age 1.5 friends saying million into 1.5 million friends saying into me van has kotoko Olympics Goldfields Oko United me bubo Asian teams you know aba Oko United Brekum Chelsea wo ho Bofa Kwata no wo ho Temale RTU wo ho your friend saying Gapowa e wo ho nti fan say sia we see 20 stadiums with 5 billion we be see bi be ka fan say we be use 20 million e see friend saying 10 stadium and also we use 1 billion masenye sika kitu 1 billion e see 20 stadium ama Premier League your friend is sini yi stadium no capacity ni nyina e wo ho no nyana no mu ye wo CCTV room you say na your friend match ne cost no ye monitors e monitor de cost o park ni so nyina ye wo fishes o muti camera ne titi se premier ye monitor de cost nya ye referee mun sini ya mu man standard masa me no credit how can team ni standard league ni standard we dey say when you see 10 billion we dey see 20 stadium. And I said, when you see 2 billion, sorry, what the 5 billion? With the 2 billion, you see 20 stadium. What's that the 2 billion? You see, friend saying, Division 1, and Division 2, with the 1 billion, I had the massa. So, with the funny say, has at the end of the league in start here, at the end of the month, above 4 games. Until the month be out there, emphasis about 2 games at home. Kotoko 2 games at home. You funny, sir. Yeah. And I saw the month be about one game at home. You funny, sir. Now, Okita has kita 90,000 capacity, and that's 100,000 capacity. With the emphasis 90,000 capacity. Kotoko kita 90,000 capacity. Uli kita 80,000 capacity. Goldfish kita 80,000 capacity. Oko United. Do beba until so kita 80,000 capacity. Easy mathematics. GFA ebi amwadwen course ba nka Ghana be the rough. Not sa TV rights na abasa Chinese TV enyi nyefe nka mun twem anase nko mun na mun gi sasika ni from ho. Ba dia wo be di wu nko antie ya mo ntino mo chese mun dwen mo mafu mo gi sika simple no yenye ni sa. Senka omo appointing mu ba ho no wo ba wo do proposal wo idea se ba na e de top na ye man crofot na se na hwese den na wo de ba table wo de ba beboa ba ni nyina we why politics ntino emboa ba mu politics asa it take one person to make a hero ntino what kwaje yim 5 billion now wo de see more than 50 to see 60 stadium massa and easy because championship no for instance division 1 boy supporters cost stadium onim so okotwa ticket okotwa ticket ebe geneti income into GFA no 5 billion na wo akwaje no has we dem for say the cheapest ticket kra 50 Ghana we dem for the because no we are 100 city cheapest one a wom cry fab yan 50 Ghana. Okay. Into the me said the whole 90,000 o jini nyina 50 Ghana. Me ba. Me mathematics ni ma. 50 Ghana times 90,000. $90,000. 50 Ghana times 90,000. Unim sen sikadodo. Into the 50 Ghana. About 450,000 Ghana city. Stadium your VIP spot bia mube tumi agye be say 200 300. We the intino Microphone better na home. Until we dey fan say ni nyina from VIP o dey pay you ni nyina 50 Ghana. Hwe sika obe generate within one match. Okay, what generate say sika na wie no. Now GFA no because in terms say we twist sika no. Until what say sika na wie no. Has each match bia ma bibia no mo be bo no. Mi ko twist sika ni ntino. Say me sika ni free mo park ntino me chem 50-50. Me the ekase na me see stadium no nti ekase no mo bo match no ewie no mo na mo tom tiki ma ye nka ma ye platform your friend saying system on akono type match no nyina bibia go hoti me person because has match na yu anase e chine mo me ko app no ma download app no ntino me ko ya city na me ko city no na ma click it. Baby I turn no so na I show red and ntumi in touch it. Ntino dia I show green nyina no city no me click na Oh, 50 Ghana. Okay, ebia popular stand, adekoka stand, and I say usu deben. Oh, honey 50 Ghana, honey 60 Ghana. And then I'm person me tena me share me ho beto me 50, 60, and I say 50, 100. And here me sika besu 50. Okay, now me try 50. Me clicking na clicking na me the meditates me triaka. Na te. E ho na ama me code. Ama me code. Ama me code. Ama me code. Until me sit na ma wo ho. Me din so so. Me din me be register yi e wo so. Me obi hia wo din, wo details, phone number obi bia wo so nti wo click ya, wo details no wo to ana wa to. Nti obi bia wo so. Nti wo ko stay there din semfo a, ye say sa seat we ebu ye seat we ye na e check cameras nyina wo. Masa Ghana League ni be de papa. Nti notify kra wo twa ticket no e twen match no. Kotoko ni hase bebo ando bia nim say classic do and die. Me kan say do and die arrival into no baby di me fa say has ni me team bi anim tia ma me fa say has ni friend saying kwa bibre kin first work relegation bebo or relegation only has bebo okay only has bebo no 100 Ghana 100 Ghana ufi say enko because kin first has a big deal. King Faisal has a big deal. King Faisal kotoko a big deal. Nti oni kotoko be bon nti price no was kroma be bia teams bia ne team shia ya obia ne price a be shia obe yetua because has ne kotoko e bebo the cheapest ticket cry 500 Ghana. And that's the cheapest ticket cry 250 Ghana. Massa still stadium be man. GFA within a year. And I said, man, who 2 years, 5 billion, man, who 2 years. Massa, we be trust can interest I better so amount. Now, if diakano, we try a canny win. Massa, now say, watch him 50-50 pono. Say, a person, you bet you cannot all GFN. Why law? Player be a yen player cut less than $10,000 a month. Not yen player be less than. Player bien less than $10,000 a month and less than masa yet the sana okay out the whole world we say be any basic Ghana Premier League be a person odin who be folly afia be foul player of Ghana utumi ball 50 million and that's 30 million masa 30 million pounds, 30 million euros, $30 million masa Ghana be ebede. Mami jamo hanyami adomo. Yebe seshia. Midindi Mr. Swansea. Piao. Na mesa bani another stadium issues. Midamwasi. Bye.